Yes, guys, welcome. This is Kola Wally Johnson, and welcome to the video. This is the first video on the lesson, and what am I going to be teaching you here is the three apps, or rather four apps that you need to be trading, that you need to have on your phone, or if you have a laptop, on your laptop as well. But definitely, you must need them on your phone. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you are going to do it. Okay, so the first app, you have to download MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, or I would prefer you go for the latest one, which is the updated version of MetaTrader 4, which is MetaTrader 5. Then after you have that, where we are going to be analyzing everything before taking our trade, because I might give you a signal and I will tell you that use a proper risk management. So you need to go to your Trading View, which is the second app that we are going to be downloading on your phone. Trading View, to set how you are going to do it, because normally I don't want you to do a signal copier. I don't want you to be looking for signals. I want you to actually know how to trade yourself. So as time goes on, I will be teaching you how to trade, but for now, just follow. If I drop a signal, you just follow it with normal risk management. So I don't want to actually let this video to go long. So the second application is your Trading View. The first one is MetaTrader 5. Why? The third one is your broker. Yeah, the third one is your broker. You are going to see a link where you are going to click on and you are going to register for the broker. I'm going to put instructions on how everything you need to actually register for a broker. A video about on how to register for a broker will be done separately. But here now, I just want to show you how to use MetaTrader 5 to place a trade, how to put stop loss, and so on. So I'm going to be using my demo account because I can't actually place a trade on a real life account. Okay, so I have a demo account on my trade, so I'm just going to use that one to just tell you how to trade using MetaTrader 5. So guys, let's get straight to it. I'm going to be using my phone. Okay, so let's get. So guys, welcome to my phone. As you can see, this is MetaTrader 5. I'm going to start with this is it, MetaTrader 5. When you click on it, as I said, you need a broker. But I just want to teach you how to actually use MetaTrader 5. This is a real account. So I'm going to go to my demo account. So this is a demo account here. This is a demo, as you can see, demo account by the side. So now, how do we use MetaTrader 5? MetaTrader 5 is actually an updated version of MetaTrader 4. For example, when you come to settings, as you can see, we have demo. If you don't have any money, but at least you want to be trading, want to be learning, you can use a demo account. As I said, the link to join a broker that will give you access to a demo account to trade, I'm going to give you there, and I'm going to teach you how you are going to be recharging, depositing a demo fee on it as well. That's lesson for how to connect your broker to your MetaTrader 5. Now, for example, I want to place a trade on MetaTrader 5. I'm on trading right now. I'm on trade. As you can see, if you are not using iPhone, Android as well is the same thing. It's the same settings. Everything is the same. So you go to quotes, as you can see, quotes here, and then these are all the pairs that you want to trade. I have GBP USD, I have GBP JPY, BTC USD, gold, and so on. But don't worry, I'm going to teach you step by step on how to actually locate these things and what they really mean, because these are base currency and then quote currency, GBP USD and then GBP and then USD. How you are going to know all these, don't worry. For now, I just want to teach you how to place a trade. For example, I want to place a trade on GBP USD. All I just have to do is click on it and then click on the chart. After clicking on the chart, then I analyze it and I said, okay, I send a signal to the platform and I said, okay, buy, or I might say buy GBP USD or long GBP USD. That's you should buy. It's still the same thing as buy, either long or buy. I might say long GBP USD, and I'll give it TP1, TP2, and your stop loss as well. So now, if I set buy, that's buy or long, I might put it there, or short or sell. If I say short or sell, that means you are going to click on sell. If I say long or buy, you are going to click on buy. You see, so that's one of the terminologies we use as a forex trader. So now, for example, I want to place a trade. So you can see these two. There is this first one. If you're an Android, a iPhone user, this is how it's going to look like. For Android, all you just have to do, you are going to see buy or sell here. So there is this 0.01. These are called lot size. We have 0.01, which is the lowest one. The lowest one, 0.01. And then we have as well 0.02. We can use any lot size. You can use 1, you can use 2, but know that the lowest, as I said, the lowest is 0.01. So the higher you go, the higher risk you are putting yourself, because if the market go against you, it's going to be like the higher risk, the higher amount you are going to lose if the market go against you. And then if the market go in your favor, is also a higher profit. So I might use 1, and then I click on buy. And when I click on buy, I might lose my account, because the rate I'm using, the leverage I'm using is too much on a $65 account. So I rather go for 0.01 or 0.02 from a balance lesser than $50. 0.01 or 0.02 or 0.03, minimum 0.05. But you should know that you are risking, the more leverage you risk, the higher you are going to lose. And then the more leverage you risk, the higher you are going to win. And if it go against you, vice versa. That is just it. So now when I said buy, I said long GBP USD. So I click on buy. Now I have clicked on buy. Now I said stop loss. Where is put your stop loss below? As you can see, as a MetaTrader 5 on iOS, this is how it looks like. So I have seen now that, okay, this is where I'm going to put my stop loss, 1.3666. 1.3666. So I'll just go to the trade. I'll go to the trade, modify it, and then see the stop loss. Then I'll just put it. What did I said? 1800 or 0. Let me just modify it with this one and see where it is, and then I can actually now re-edit it again. This is too long. Where is it? Oh, it was not set. Let me reset it again, please. Let me reset it again. 1. So for example, my stop loss, I want to put my stop loss here. So it's 130.78, 130. 137.07, 132. Oh, it's TP I said. That's TP that take profit. When I said TP, as you can see, the TP is set, but it's take profit I want to do. And stop loss I want to set 136. 136. Stop loss 136. So my stop loss is set right now. As you can see, my stop loss is set, and then my TP is set. So this is now, if the market go against me, I don't want to lose more than. There is also what we call risk calculator. That one I'm going to be showing you as well, that this is the amount I want to lose in this trade. That is why Forex is kind of a market that is what you know the amount you want to lose in a particular trade. But some people over leverage and then they blow their account. So it's all like it's greediness, and then it's a normal thing. It's a normal thing. If you blow an account, it's a normal thing. It's not. Forex is not always a win-win-win straight. You always lose, but the difference is how you manage your account. you see. So that is how to actually place a trade. First, you click on buy or you sell. After you analyze the market, you click on buy or you sell. Then you set your TP and then you set your stop loss. Now, what next is, for example, we have this H1. This is time, like each time, like each hour forms this tick. This is H1, which is 1 hour. This is H4, which is 4 hours. This is 15M, which is 15 minutes. Each time form each tick. So as a forex trader, there is a way you are going to be utilizing this time to analyze your market. You see, there's a way you are going to be using this time to analyze your market. So now we are on profit, right? Now, and I want to close it. Presuming I open a lot of positions, like 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, and I want to close it. For example, look at it here. I'll just go to bulk operation and then close all trade. You can see that it has closed. As you can see that it has closed. So that's just it. You can close each one after the other, but for example, for me, sometimes I used to open 3 positions at a time, so I just use bulk to close all the operations. So that is how to place a trade and how to close a trade on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. This is MetaTrader 5, but it's still the same thing as MetaTrader 4. But MetaTrader 4 is kind of the old version of MetaTrader 5. The difference is that in MetaTrader 4, you can actually close bulk operation. You close them one after the other. But the updated version, which is MetaTrader 5, give you the chance to close all your trade at the same time. You see, so that is how to use MetaTrader 5 to place trade. And then if you want to add more PA, all you just have to do is click on this. For example, I want to add BTC JPY. Okay, let's say I want to add BTC JPY. All you just have to do is click on this plus button. As you can see, it has been added, BTC JPY. And if I want to remove it as well, all I just have to do is click on it and delete it as an iOS user. For Android as well, I'm going to see if any of my students have Android. I will download it there and I will do a screen record for those that are using Android to place trade. You see, so that is just how to use your MetaTrader 5. I said again, it's better to use MetaTrader 5 than MetaTrader 4. So guys, that is it. Have a wonderful time in trading, and as usual, if you want to be collecting my signals, you want to be having access to my signals, all you just have to do is click on the link on the description, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more details like this. And then for free mentorship, every Sunday from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Abidjan time, I always have online classes for people that are interested on how to trade Forex. So guys, have a wonderful day.